Alright, y'all. Today I'm finally doing it. Repairing these clips here on this waistline trim here. Belt line, whatever. Yep. These front two clips, I just replaced that one. They slowly just degraded, over time. Got old and brittle, and basically the clips that these little suckers go into, they broke off. As you can see here. And this is what a new one is. And this is the rear quarter trim clip, I think. The rear quarter panel trim. Basically, they just slide right on in there. Push it back. And this thing clips in behind that little hook right there. It is fairly easy. Hopefully I can get this on camera. Shit. Just like that. Now it should just clip right back on in. Well, it's not perfect. Make sure I got those in all the way. They just ain't pushed in all the way. There we go. That's better. These ones back here seem to be all right. Still nice and tight. But I got these off Mini Mania. This is the one you want for the rear quarter Mini Cooper waistband belt. Line trim rear quarter clip 2. And that's that information for that. All right, that's done. Now for part 2. All right, as you can see, this is sort of the dilemma here. There's 2 parts to these clips. As you can see, that one's just missing one of those clips, but this one, the rest of them, those little holes they clip into with other clips. I do not know what happened to those. So some I just gotta kind of fix, and some I just gotta replace and put new clips in. So go ahead and show y'all the new clips here in a second. And here are the clips for the front windshield trim. And it comes in 2 parts. These ones are the one you want with that snap-in clip in them to go in that hole. This is the bottom part that go on the vehicle. These are the ones you want right here. And these are the ones that go on the actual trim that clip in to those clips down here. And this is the one you want. So it ended up being easier just taking the whole left trim off. It actually just slides right out of there. It's 2 pieces, sort of connect right there. As you can see, that's just snapped off in the back. That one's just missing the clip. Let's just go on. That one's just missing the clip. This one seems okay, actually. It's just missing the bottom. And that one still kind of clipped in there. As you can see, this clip is actually still in there, but it's just broken off from there. Well, gotta fix that first too. Oh, that was easy. I don't think I damaged the windshield by pushing on it like that, but I don't know. But I'm just glad that worked out. All right, finally got one of those little tubes in there to click it in place. What I had to do, those ridges are actually just a little bit too tight, so I had to sort of grind them down just a hair, just enough to dull it, to slide it through, and then it'll clip in, and it ain't coming out. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. All right, as you can see here, I should have everything good to go. All these new clips are in, these new top ones. They're lined up. I forgot about this end piece. I have no idea what goes in this end one, but I'll figure that later. This one was still good. I reused that one, but these are all sturdy. Excuse me. Now it's just time to put it together. Now it's just popping these back in place. All right, here it is finished. It does pop out just a little bit here. That is pretty sturdy. That ain't flapping out anytime soon. Looking good, looking good. Make sure we press this one in real tight. There you have it. I'd say a rough first time DIY change of Mini Cooper S waistband trim line. There's a lot of different clips for all these different quarter panel pieces, so you'll just have to look into that and see which ones fit. But hope that helps. It's just from one mini owner to another. Happy motoring.